Hello everybody, welcome to Vroom Vroom Zoom, and my name is Andrew, and I have just scoured YouTube for a video on this topic and I can't find one, so I'm going to do a video about this very important topic. What that topic is maintaining, not restoring YouTube, because there's like 1,000 videos on how to restore these lights, but how do you maintain new ones? So I've done a little bit of research and I have come up with the, I guess, okay kind of solution to how to look after these, because for me it's super important. So this is my Tesla Model 3, loving this car, and I want it to stay nice and pretty. So to do that, I am, trying to look after it. So I'm giving it regular washes, but I have a problem. That problem is that this car is my daily, and I work in a place where there's no undercover parking provided for the majority of staff, I think almost everybody. So this car sits in the sun the whole day. And because it sits in the sun the whole day, the taillight and the headlight, of course, are going to be continually exposed to those harmful UV rays that are going to start making these sort of plastic lights become very brittle, and then you'll start seeing that they start hazing over, or you get this sort of oxidization on the top of it, and it starts to go hazy and it doesn't look very nice. So how do we look after these sorts of lights? Well, let's have a quick think about what's going on here. So this is plastic, it sits in the sun, and of course it's going to start getting, like, I suppose brittle is the way you would consider it, like what would happen to it. We need to kind of moisturize the plastic. So we need something that is going to be either sitting on the plastic and reflecting the light and keeping it sort of, keeping the UV rays away from the plastic, or something that might actually kind of penetrate the material and keep it moist, okay? So moisturized. And I have found the thing. Here it is everybody. Armor All Ultra High Shine Protectant. Now, what is this thing? So Armor All Ultra is a plastic, trim and rubber sort of a maintenance product, okay? And it does provide a high shine. Excellent for restoring old plastics and old rubbers and dashes. By the way, worked a treat on my old Commodore. Yeah, so this is the product that I've been using on the Camry, and I'm now going to start using it on my Tesla as well. All right, so, and this is the one that you want, and I'll tell you why. I'll show you why, because on here, I don't know if you can see it, it says added conditioning moisturizers. Moisturizer, not just for you, but for the car. I'm assuming that this is going to sort of, do something to the plastic to keep it a little bit more moist and resistant to those UV rays. Okay, so make sure you get this one. Don't get this one. Definitely don't get this one. It's just a multi-purpose. So when you're at the shops, not the multi-purpose, it's just a cleaner. That's going to probably take away some of that moisture from your plastics. This is the one that you find everywhere, and this is an awesome product, but it says UVA and UVB sun protection, so you could use this, but I have found that this one doesn't talk about moisturizing, so I think maybe that's going to be a better product. And like I said, I've been using this one, this lovely golden color one, what, 2 years now, going on 2 years for the Camry, and I really rate it. It's kept the lights beautiful, no hazing, nothing whatsoever. So I'm going to start doing that. So how do you apply it? Well, I don't recommend just to spray it onto there, because you're going to get some onto the paint. It's going to smear a little bit, hold some dirt. So what I like to do, go straight onto the cloth, a couple of sprays, and then just a nice light little rub-a-dub-dub on there. You'll notice, and it does say that smearing is going to smear, and you can see if you look up close, it looks like it does smear a little bit when you put it on, but you know what, it's not going to matter, and I'll show you, because once you've applied it, so I can see now if you look up closely that there is some smearing. I'm just going to leave it there for a little bit, let the moisturizer do its thing. So I come back in about a minute, and then I do a second overall quick little cleanup on top thing. Now, sometimes like you'll see that it's actually, the smearing kind of starts to disappear. Sometimes I have left it on, just leaving it like that, and not worrying about getting rid of that smearing, especially on the rear light. It's not going to matter. On the front light, yeah, you might want to do a little bit of a tidy up afterwards, but For the rears, you can probably just leave it a little bit smeared, and you know, you're not going to really notice it unless you're right up close. All right, so that's about it on the topic, everybody. So you're looking for something that is going to be moisturizing for your plastics. All right, any questions or comments, or if you have another product that you really like using, or if you have also used this and you rate it, then please let everybody else know. We're a lovely little community here on Vroom Vroom Zoom. So yeah, it'd be awesome to hear from you. All right, everyone, that's it. Bye.